Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. And today in this video, I'm going to show how to install macOS Sonoma on PC with pre-installed Windows 11. If you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe. And now let's begin. For this purpose you'll need macOS Sonoma bootable USB installer for Hackintosh. A proper guide has been already made from which you can create the USB for Hackintosh using Windows or macOS. After the USB is ready, open Disk Management. Now, right-click on C Partition and click on Shrink Volume. Here, enter the amount of space you want to allocate for macOS and after entering, click on Shrink. After shrinking of the disk is done, create a new simple volume. For identifying the disk later, rename it and continue. After the volume is created, close Disk Management, and then plug macOS Sonoma bootable USB and restart your PC, and boot to BIOS. Here, load BIOS defaults and then change the following settings. After making the changes, exit BIOS saving changes, and now boot to boot menu. From here select your USB, followed by the EFI prefix, and press enter to boot. Now, select install macOS Sonoma and press enter to boot. If you have created the USB using Windows, make sure that you're connected to the internet. You can use Ethernet, Wi-Fi, or even USB router. After getting connected, select Disk Utility and click on Continue. Here, click on View and then click on Show All Devices. Now select the partition you created and click on the Erase button. Under Format, select NTFS and click on Erase. After the partition is erased, click on Done and close Disk Utility. And now select Install or Reinstall macOS Sonoma and click on Continue. And here if clicking on Continue doesn't work, quit, install macOS and continue with it again, and proceed with the installer. Here, select the partition you created and click on Continue. Keep in mind that the installation process may take a while depending on your internet speed, and during the installation, your PC will restart several times. So don't worry about it. Also, at each reboot boot your PC with USB until the installation is done. And finally, we're on Sonoma setup screen. Set up your macOS according to your preferences. Now copy your preferred plist editor to your desktop, and mount the ESP of internal drive. And if you have created the USB using Mac, also mount the ESP of USB. After mounting ESP, copy both the folder from USB's EFI folder, and paste it to the ESP of internal drive under EFI folder. After pasting, browse to following location path, and change the name of the file. And now close all, and eject all mounted partitions, and restart your PC, and again boot with your USB. After booting to OpenCore, reset the NVRAM once, and then eject your USB, and boot to Mac. After booting, mount the ESP of the internal drive, and browse to the following path, and rename the file again. And now everything is done. And let me show you working of both the OS. Keep in mind to never reset your NVRAM. Otherwise you'll not be able to boot to Mac. This issue can be eliminated by mapping the Windows entry. To eliminate this issue, follow the mapping guide from I button. And successfully booted to Windows 11. Let me show you the hardware specs. And now let's get to macOS. and successfully booted to macOS Sonoma. Let me show you the hardware specs. So, that was it. Dual boot of Windows 11 and macOS Sonoma has been successfully configured on a PC, with pre-installed Windows 11. Hope it was useful. Consider like for the video, and subscribe to the channel. And if you have any questions, just comment down below, or create a thread on our forum. Make sure to check out the forum for in-depth guides. Thanks for watching and have a great day ahead.